Hi, my name is Rochelle Lumpkins, and this is a tutorial guide on how to kind of navigate Workday. So I've already logged into Workday, which you can see on my screen. And so the first thing you're going to do is go to Academics. So on this screen, you can go ahead and scroll down, and I'll show you over here who your advisors are. It shows the classes I have already enrolled in, but I'm going to go ahead and walk you through those steps. So what I would do first is click on View My Academic Plan. From here, depending on what your workday looks like, it might say Register from Plan, it might not. So what I would do first is scroll down to Fall of 2021. And if your advisor has put a plan in, it will show up over here. You can also scroll down here to make sure you are enrolled in your classes after you register. So I just take a look here first to see if a plan has been made, and then we can go through the process of creating a schedule or creating a plan. So since I have already had a plan made, what I'm going to do is create schedule. My start date will be fall of 2021. And then you can't see it, but there's a little OK button down in the bottom left. You have to put in a name, so I would just put fall of 2021. And you can see the classes. So when I scroll down, I know I'm going to take Technology and Society. So now I can scroll down here and see what classes are open, what the start day is, end date, when they meet. There's also this bar. You can scroll over. You can see not in this class, but in other classes, who the instructors are. And you can also see how many seats are still available and what seat capacity there is. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on a class. Now mine is going to show an alert up here. That is because I've already registered, but it should not show an alert for you. If it does, click on the alert and then follow the steps. So we can see I've clicked on this virtual class. The grading basis is it's graded. It's not a pass-fail class, it is by grade. The units is 3. So instead of credit hours, they now call it units. And then it's by semester. So now I can go up to my other classes, such as Concert Choir, and click. And if I click on Concert Choir B, I can scroll down and see it's for two units or 2 credits, and I only want to take it for 1. So I can unclick and click on the top one and see that this is actually the one I want. So you go through and make your schedule looking at the times. You can see teachers, how much availability is left. Just click on it. Once you are done, let me move this. Once you are done, you'll click this little button that says OK. I'm not going to click it because I have already made the schedule, so I'm going to click cancel and discard the changes. But I will show you what my schedule looks like. So once you create a schedule and saved it, you can go under View Save Schedules. Fall of 2021. Have to click OK. And this is the schedule I have made. It shows who my teachers are, the meeting patterns or what time the classes is, how many credit hours or units it is. If I also notice I have a course that I want to take that is not on here, I can add a course. So it will take you to a screen like this. Let's say I want to take psychology. 100. So I just type in psych 100 and then I can click on it and add it by scrolling down and clicking when I want to take the class. I'm clicking cancel because my schedule is done and I do not want to add that class. So now what I do, instead of hitting the back screen, or the back arrow, I go up here and I just click on the Fort Hays. It takes me right back to the starting page, because I've noticed when you hit that back arrow, it can undo some of the changes you have made. So back under academics, back to view my academic plan. So I'm going back to my saved schedule, clicking OK, and there's a little orange button that says start registration. So I'm going to click on that. So it has the class I chose. I'm going to go through and double check, make sure all the classes that I want are still checkmarked. Make sure my units are still the same. And see, for classes like this, the secondary school experience, how grading basis doesn't show anything, you will have to click and either grade, pass, fail, depending on what the class is. So my senior recital is a pass, fail, pass or no credit. And then after I've gone through all of that, I will hit register. For me, it did it. So I've successfully registered in these courses. So now I can view registered courses, and I'll show this. It'll show how many credit hours or units you have enrolled in down here. You can also hit view schedule, and it'll show you this. It'll show you your time frame, which building you'll be in at what time. And it's nice if you're very visual, or for your job. You can take a screenshot of this and send it to your work so they can see what time you have classes. So that is how you register for classes. Please contact me if you have any questions. My email is rmlumpkins, pumpkins with an L, at mail.fhsu.edu. I'm more than happy to help, and just let me know. Thanks.